Hi Irene! Sige, okay na. Hi Irene! Happy birthday! Marami pa akong sasabihin sa'yo. Pero pabayaan mo muna bumati yung mga tiga-Doha sa'yo. Lahat ng mga tiga-Doha. So hintayin mo at mamaya. Nalagay ulit ako sa'yo. Swing muna ako.
Hi Irene, wish you a very very happy birthday. Enjoy a lot.
Happy birthday, Irene. Happy birthday, Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene. Happy birthday, Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene!
Okay, Irene, happy birthday and have a blessing party. Irene, happy birthday.
Irene, our sales manager, Mr. Summer Bukarum, he wants to greet you also.
Happy birthday, Irene. Cheers.
Happy birthday Irene. God bless.
Happy birthday, Irene.
Birthday, Ate Irene. Happy birthday, Ate Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene! Hello, Ate Irene. Happy birthday po from ABS.
Happy birthday Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Irene. My name is Mariana. I wish you a really happy birthday and I wish that all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Irene.
Morning, sir.
Happy birthday, Irene. Many more birthdays to come.
This is our sponsor, the owner of our company, Mr. Harun. Irene, he wants to greet you.
I wish you a very happy birthday, Irene, and I wish you a very long life with peace and full peace life.
Hi! Happy birthday, Irene. God bless you and God bless your family always.
Ate Irene, happy birthday. Kita mo naman kahit may tawag ako, uunahin ko mabati ka ng happy birthday. Sana you will continue to be happy and satisfied with the blessings of the Lord. God bless! Sabi ni Tito Irene.
Happy birthday, Irene! Hello!
Hello Irene, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Irene. More blessings to come and another baby. As a gift of God from you. Happy birthday.
The best Irene.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Irene. God bless you.
Hello, happy birthday Irene. God bless you always. Nawa, may pagkaloob ng Panginoon sa iyo ang iyong mga kahilingan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Irene. Wish you all the best in life. God bless you all.
Happy birthday, Irene.
God bless you from CFC Qatar. Happy birthday, Ate Irene. God bless you from SFC Qatar. Happy birthday, Ate Irene.
God bless you!
God bless you.
God bless
Happy birthday, Irene. Hello. More birthdays to come at saka sana ay grant na ni Papa God yung heart desire ninyo na Edwin na magkaroon ng baby at saka thank you sa lahat ng pag-aalaga mo sa mga pamangkin mo at sana ingat ka palagi and Regards sa inyong lahat dyan and God bless.
Puro pagkain.
Akin mo muna ba yun?
Irene, happy birthday! Nakita mo yung mga bati ng aming mga kaibigan dito sa Doha. Pinaparating nila sa'yo ang kanilang pagbati sa iyong 40th birthday. Huwag ka magalala, 40. Hindi ka naman mukhang 40, mukha ka lang 39. Anyway, happy birthday sa'yo. We are praying, sana ipagkaloob na sa'yo ni Lord yung matagal mo nang minimiti, your heart's desire, na masundan si Adrian. And we know that Lord will hear your prayer. We will grant your heart's desire kasi mabait kang bata at masunurin. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala, just relax. At nagpapasalamat kami sa iyong mag-asawa ng ate-abi mo dahil alam namin na hindi mo pabayaan yung mga bata. Alam ko na meron kang responsibilidad ngayon na naibigay namin sa iyo para sa mga bata. Alam ko naman na mahal mo yung mga kapamangkin mo at hindi mo pabayaan. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa pag-aaruga sa kanila, sa pagtulong sa amin. At sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay at kasaganahan para marami ka pang matulungan, lalo-lalo na yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Maraming salamat. Huwag ka magbabago. Stay sweet, stay nice and loving. At sana hindi mo rin yung kalusugan mo. Huwag ka masyadong magpapakapagod. At we love you very much. We're praying for your success and happiness in life. More power and more love and more blessings from the Lord. God bless you. God bless your family and Adrian. At mahal na mahal namin kayo. We love you. And